Hello, I'm Russell from Starts Electrical, your local trusted electrician. Are you a landlord or are you an estate agent that manages properties? There is new law just about to be passed through Parliament. This will come into effect on the 1st of April. This is regarding that every rental property must be electrically tested every 5 years minimum. However, if you check on the certificate that you have received previously, Landlord Safety Certificate or Electrical Installation Condition Report, which is EICR, at the bottom of the first page it will show the length, how long the certificate lasts for. Now, on this certificate it says 3 years or change of tenant or owner. So this means that your certificate is valid for either 3 years or as soon as the current tenancy ends. As soon as the current tenancy ends, the certificate would then be void and it would need retesting. Now this is something that you need to keep an eye on. With this new law, there is potential fine of over up to £30,000 for any negligence. Now, while I've got the certificate, just like to show you something on the main testing area. Now, on that sheet, you can see LIM, which is LIM, which stands for limitation. Now, sometimes you will find a limitation on a certificate if you cannot find the circuit within a reasonable time. We can't just go off and disconnect it. But a lot of companies out there now are filling up that certificate with LIM limitations. Now, this means that you're not getting a proper test done at all. So please keep an eye on that. Thank you for watching my video. I hope this has been helpful for you. Bye bye.